In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in just a couple of clicks, guys. Very easy, very simple. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. And I want you to click on the lower right corner. Click on your profile picture. Then, when you're at your own profile, I want you to go ahead and hit the gear icon at the upper right corner. Now, when you're at the settings and privacy, you probably will notice the main difference over here. The recent updates from Meta has changed everything. So I want you to click on Account Center. When you're over here, I want you to go ahead, scroll down to Account Settings and click on Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, click on the last option, which is Account Ownership and Control. When you're over here, you simply have an option to choose deactivation or deletion. This is very important and it's different than doing something similar on Instagram, simply because when you click deactivate or delete, you will have all of your Instagram pages or Instagram accounts, and you will have all of your Facebook pages and Facebook accounts. So manually, you can select one account and deactivate or delete, and then move on to the next one. This is how you can deactivate or delete your Facebook account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.